Hello everyone, welcome back to the Trick Spot. So this is our IIT Jam series 2, okay, prep series 2. So for this time I have taken questions from 2019 question paper and we'll solve two questions this time. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so the first one says that for a reaction of type A plus B giving product B, P, the unit of the rate constant is mole, liter inverse, second inverse. The overall order of the reaction is. So you have been given K, that is the unit of rate constant. Okay, so you have been only given the rate constant's unit. Okay, so K mole, liter inverse, second inverse. So for this we have one trick. So the trick says that the unit of rate constant is concentration 1 raised to 1 minus n and time raised to minus 1. So where n represents the order. So for example, if I take 0 order, so the concentration is in mole, liter inverse, 1 minus 0, and time is second, and this is second inverse. So what I get is mole, liter inverse, 1 minus 0 is 1, so the power doesn't change, okay, and second inverse. So from this only we can come to know that this belongs to zero order reaction. You could put 2, 3, 1 and see if it comes, but it was very easy one. So when we put 0, we got this as the unit. That means this is the correct option. Okay, so now let us move to the second one. So for the second one, the complementary strand for the following single strand of DNA is. So this is the given strand, and for it we have to find the complementary strand. So as I have discussed in the previous part 1 video, that you have purine and pyrimidine. Here you have A, here you have G, and here you have T and C. Okay, so this and this pairs up together, and this pairs up together. Okay, so let us start with the question given. So the complementary part of 5 dash would be 3 complement. Okay, the next thing would be you have A, so in place of A you can put T, in place of T you can put A, then in place of G you can put C, then again in place of C you can put G, that is guanine, then again T, in place of T you have to put A, and at 3 prime you have to put the opposite, that is 5 prime. So now the starting one should be 3 prime and the ending one would be 5 prime. So if you see that, that means these two options are wrong. Okay, now see this 3 prime, 3 prime, the second one is T, that is thymine. So automatically you get this one as the correct option. So this is a correct option. Okay, so this is very easy one, I think. So that's it for this video, and we'll be solving the next ones in the upcoming videos. Thank you.